Kale, a leafy green powerhouse, has been celebrated for its impressive array of health benefits, earning it the title of a superfood. Packed with essential nutrients, kale is a remarkable addition to any diet. Today, let's delve into the astounding health benefits that make kale a must-have on your plate. First and foremost, kale is extraordinarily high in vitamins A, K, and C. Vitamin A is crucial for eye health and supports the immune system, keeping you protected against infections. Vitamin K plays a significant role in blood clotting, promoting bone health, and reducing the risk of bone fractures. Meanwhile, vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that enhances skin health and aids in the absorption of iron from plant-based foods. Speaking of antioxidants, kale is rich in beta-carotene and polyphenols, which help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the body. This protective action can lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Additionally, kale contains compounds like sulforaphane, known for their cancer-fighting properties. Kale is also a fantastic source of dietary fiber, which aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut microbiome. This fiber content can help you feel full, making kale an excellent choice for those aiming to manage their weight. Mineral-wise, kale boasts substantial amounts of calcium and magnesium, essential for maintaining strong bones and regulating the nervous system. It also contains potassium, which can help manage blood pressure levels, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. For those watching their calorie intake, kale is exceptionally low in calories, yet high in water content, adding volume to meals. This makes it a perfect component for salads, smoothies, and soups. Moreover, kale's versatility allows it to fit seamlessly into various cuisines. Whether sautéed, baked into chips, or blended into a refreshing smoothie, adding kale to your meals can elevate both the nutritional value and flavor. In conclusion, the remarkable health benefits of kale make it an exceptional ally in promoting a balanced and healthful lifestyle. Consider incorporating this nutrient-rich green into your daily routine to reap its numerous advantages. Embrace kale's goodness and savor its impact on your well-being.